News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I'm Anita Anand giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies published in Employment News edition dated 28th of January to 3rd of February 2023 where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about the vacancies in Union Public Service Commission, SJVN Limited, National Commission for Scheduled Castes, Central Bureau of Investigation, Indian Institute of Technology, Robert, National Test House, Department of Consumer Affairs, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Lady Hardinge Medical College. Union Public Service Commission applications are invited for filling up of one vacancy in the grade of Library and Information Assistant in the Office of UPSC on deputation, including short-term contract basis. Eligibility conditions include deputation including short-term contract, officials of the central government or state government or union territories or semi-government or recognized research institutions or universities or public sector undertakings or autonomous or statutory organizations. The details like general conditions, eligibility criteria, age limit, pro forma of application form, etc. are available on the website of UPSC, that is www.upsc.gov.in/vacancy-circulars. Interested and eligible officials may send their applications in prescribed pro forma along with copies of the APARs for the last 5 years duly attested on every page by an officer not below the rank of Under Secretary of the Government of India cadre, clearance and vigilance clearance through proper channel of the concerned office within 60 days from the date of advertisement of this vacancy in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Online recruitment application ORA are invited for direct recruitment by selection through website www.upsconline.nic.in to the following post from 28th of January 2023 to 16th of February 2023. 1. Vacancy for the post of Marketing Specialist or Economist in Central Institute of Horticulture, Nagaland, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. 1. Vacancy for the post of Archivist, Oriental Records in National Archives of India, Ministry of Culture. And 8 vacancies for the post of Administrative Officer in Geological Survey of India, Ministry of Mines. The crucial date for determining the age limit shall be closing date for submission online applications. The candidates willing to apply for the above posts are advised to visit Commission's ORA website www.upsconline.nic.in. The detailed advertisement along with instructions and additional information to candidates for recruitment by selection has been displayed on Commission's website www.upsc.gov.in as well as on the online recruitment application ORA website www.upsconline.nic.in. SJVN Limited, a Mini Ratna Category 1 and Schedule A CPSE under administrative control of Ministry of Power, Government of India, was incorporated on May 24, 1988 as a joint venture of the Government of India and Government of Himachal Pradesh. SJVN has expanded its horizons and envisions developing itself into a fully diversified transnational power company in all types of conventional and non-conventional forms of energy and in power transmission. To commensurate its ambitious growth plans and swift growth trajectory, SJVN intends to engage manpower on fixed tenure basis in following principles and invites applications from promising and committed individuals. 30 posts of Civil Junior Field Engineer, 35 posts of Electrical Junior Field Engineer, 20 posts of Mechanical Junior Field Engineer, 10 posts of HR Junior Field Officer, 10 posts of FNA Junior Field Officer. The engagement shall be purely temporary and on contract basis for an initial period of 3 years. The contract period can further be extended on yearly basis for 2 more years depending upon the work requirement and performance of the individual. The engagement will not entitle him or her to claim for any regular employment in SJVN or any relaxation in case of any requirement for any post in SJVN. For detailed advertisement and applying for a post, please visit SJVN website www.sjvn.nic.in. Closing date for submitting applications through website is 12/2/2023, 11:59 p.m. Next is corrigendum from National Commission for Scheduled Castes. The last date for receipt of applications for filling up the post of Senior Investigator on deputation basis in National Commission for Scheduled Castes is extended up to 6/2/2023. The candidates who had applied earlier against the earlier advertisement of an even number dated 9/11/2022 need not apply again. The details regarding eligibility conditions, instructions for filling and submission of application form, format of application, etc. is available on the website of National Commission for Scheduled Castes, that is ncsc.nic.in. Central Bureau of Investigation. Applications are invited from eligible and willing officers under the central government or state government or union territories or universities or recognized research institutions or public sector undertakings or semi-government or autonomous or statutory organizations not for private persons for filling up one post of lecturer law and one post of lecturer criminology. For general instructions, details of post, eligibility criteria and biodata pro forma, please visit CBI website cbi.gov.in/vacancy. The applicants may send their applications along with all required documents information through proper channel in the concerned office so as to reach within 60 days of publication of this vacancy circular in the Employment News. Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar. Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar, an institute of national importance, is in search of suitable Indian nationals for appointment to following non-teaching posts. One post of Superintending Engineer, one post of Assistant Librarian, 5 posts of Assistant Registrar, one post of Placement Officer, one post of Public Relations Officer, one post of Security Officer, one post of Medical Officer, one post of Junior Hindi Translator, one post of Junior Superintendent, 3 posts of Junior Engineer Electrical Civil PH, 2 posts of Staff Nurse, 1 post of Physical Training Instructor, 7 posts of Junior Assistant and 7 posts of Junior Assistant Accounts. Last date of submission of online applications is 15/2/2023 up to 5 p.m. For details regarding educational qualifications, experience and general conditions, please visit the Institute's website www.itrpr.ac.in/staff positions. National Test House, Department of Consumer Affairs, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Applications are invited for filling up of one post of Accounts Officer, General Central Service, Group B, gazetted non-ministerial in the National Test House, a subordinate office under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Department of Consumer Affairs by composite method, deputation including short contract. Details of essential qualifications, experience, etc. and other terms and conditions of service and format of application are available in this department's website, that is nth.gov.in, under the link Vacancies. The last date for receiving applications is 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Lady Hardinge Medical College. Applications are invited to fill up one post of Psychologist, General Central Service, Group B, non-gazetted, non-ministerial in the Lady Hardinge Medical College and Srimati SK Hospital, New Delhi on deputation basis including short-term contract. The duly filled application may be sent by speed post, registered post addressed to Director, Lady Hardinge Medical College and Srimati SK Hospital, New Delhi within 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News. For details, log in to the website ihmc-hosp.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in the Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.